Hey guys, it's Ishan, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to visualize data in the form of bar graphs and some tricks related to it, which will make your visualization look classy and unique. In the previous video I have taught how to connect live data source to Tableau, and if you have missed it, do watch the video as you won't be able to follow along with me. Now focusing on the present video, regarding visualizing a bar graph, you have to first decide the two data items upon which you have to make a bar graph. For me, they are country and cases. So, double click on country, double click on cases. It is showing me a table, but I want a bar graph. So, I'll go here to show me. Click bar graph, but it is looking kind of messy, and to make it look more organized and presentable, I will sort it in decreasing order. But again, I am not interested in the corona cases of each and every country. I am only interested in the top 10 cases, or top 5 cases, or top 20 cases, depends on you. For me, the number is top 10. So for that, the trick is to create a set of country. To do that, go to country, click this small arrow, create set. Name it anything you want. I am naming it top 10 countries by cases. Now click top, select by field, click OK. Now drag this set and drop it here. But this has made our bar graph really tiny. To make it look big according to this layout, I will go here, click this arrow, entire view. Now I don't like white backgrounds as black is my favorite color, so I will make the background black. To do it, simply come here to this layout, right click, then click format, click this, change it to black. But now there are some vertical grid lines appearing. To get rid of them, click this hamburger icon and click here, grid lines none. Now I want the font of the countries to be bold and the color to be white. To do that, click this, choose Tableau bold, color white. I'm a bit lazy person and I don't want to know about the coronavirus cases country wise, but I want to be displayed right here. For that, I will drag cases and drop it on label. And also I will change this, Control A, backspace, Tableau bold, choose color white, centralize this and write corona cases COUN country wise. Click apply, OK. Now we have to make the same bar graph for the deaths due to corona. There are two ways. One way is repeat every step that I have done for corona cases. Another way is repeat only the important steps. So there is a trick. Go to the sheet, right click, duplicate. This is duplicated. I will create another set for deaths like I created for corona. I will name it top 10 countries by deaths. Click top, choose by field, choose deaths, OK. Drag deaths, drop it here, sort it, drag deaths, drop it on the label, drop it over the cases. Now drag this set of deaths over this, and your deaths bar graph is also ready. But I want to change the color. Now D for death and D for danger, and for most of the danger signs the color is red, so I will change the color to red. Now both the bar graphs are ready, the corona cases country wise, and I will change it corona deaths. If you have genuinely learned anything from this video, do like it and comment your views about it, and please subscribe to this channel, as in the next video I am going to plot the COVID-19 cases on a world map, and believe me, that world map visualization will be 10 times more beautiful and more presentable than the bar graphs. So please do subscribe and hit the bell icon.